Today we're going to talk about what NVIDIA and CrowdStrike did after yesterday's earnings, plus a women's brand that's been dominating, but it's not showing that in the stock price. And welcome back to the 2-minute market. We go over today's market. We'll keep it as simple as possible. So today, one day after those big earnings from NVIDIA and CrowdStrike, what did they do? Well, NVIDIA on one end was actually down 6% today. And the reason being is because of earnings. Now, if you remember yesterday, earnings did beat, but the market expected them to be even higher. So it's kind of like you go into a restaurant. And the first time you go, you get the steak. The steak is good, 10 out of 10. Second time you go, you get the fish, 10 out of 10. Third time you get the chicken, and it's at 8 out of 10. So it's just not at the levels everybody expected it to be, even though it's still high. So it did go down 6%. Now, CrowdStrike, on the other hand, it was all about guidance and what they were projecting for the next quarter. And the thing was, it's not as bad as people thought. So you look at the chart, CrowdStrike was up over 2%. Now, if you look at the indices above, you'll see today was kind of a quiet day. It was kind of balanced, kind of low, but the Dow did hit record levels. This is all-time highs level in the Dow. Now, on the cryptocurrency side, we've seen a lot of volatility, and Bitcoin actually went up and tagged that level I've been telling you guys about, of that 61.5-ish area, and then it got rejected down. So still no confirmation. On Ethereum, it's kind of following that same pattern, but Ethereum is actually up more than Bitcoin. That's another day of this happening. So we're seeing a run in Ethereum coming up. Now, going back to the stock side, Lululemon reported earnings today. Lululemon is a huge company that a lot of the women know about. But Lululemon actually has been going down really bad in the last couple of months. If you look at this chart, you'll see Lululemon is down almost 50%. And Lululemon is everywhere. If you're one of the girls watching this, I know you know what Lululemon is. They're culturally relevant, but the stock is going down. So the earnings came out, and earnings per share was good, but the revenue was a little bit down. But the guidance, what they're saying is going to happen the next quarter, it was down. So they're saying, again, the consumer is probably going to go down next quarter. And that's something we've been hearing on all these earnings. So let's see what happens. But again, this is the 2-minute market. Tomorrow we're going to have another big day. I will see you soon. Peace.